Are you feeling sluggish and unwell lately? Let's find a solution together. In our hectic lives, inflammation takes a toll on our bodies. It can lead to pain and chronic illnesses. However, there is good news. An anti-inflammatory diet has the potential to rejuvenate your health. To begin, steer clear of processed foods. These items often harbor unhealthy fats and excessive sugars. Instead, concentrate on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Next, incorporate healthy fats into your meals. Include foods like avocados and nuts, as they are beneficial for your health. Such fats can reduce inflammation and enhance your overall wellness. Now let's discuss spices. Turmeric and ginger serve as potent anti-inflammatories. Adding them to your dishes provides both flavor and health benefits. Hydration is crucial as well. Aim to drink plenty of water each day and consider integrating herbal teas into your routine. Finally, let's touch on portion control. Eating moderate portions can assist in weight management and decrease inflammation. Envision feeling more energized and vibrant. This is the promise of an anti-inflammatory diet. To summarize, an anti-inflammatory diet emphasizes whole foods, healthy fats, and spices. Maintaining hydration and monitoring portion sizes can help combat inflammation. Are you ready to take charge of your well-being? Begin implementing these tips in your life today. Eager to start this journey? Begin by appreciating the colorful fruits nature provides, such as berries, oranges, and apples. These fruits are both delicious and rich in antioxidants. Adding these to your daily meals can greatly affect how you feel. Moving on to vegetables, leafy greens such as spinach and kale are stellar options, offering essential nutrients that help fight inflammation. Roasting vibrant vegetables like bell peppers and zucchini enhances their flavors, making them delightful and satisfying. Now let's turn our attention to whole grains. Quinoa, brown rice, and oats are excellent choices that deliver fiber and critical minerals. These grains can help maintain satiety while stabilizing blood sugar levels. Replace refined grains with these nutritious options for overall well-being. As you adopt these choices, you'll gradually notice improved energy levels and less fatigue. Your body will appreciate you prioritizing it with nutritious foods. Remember, small changes create significant results over time. Having discussed fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, let's uncover the benefits of healthy fats. Adding foods like avocados, olive oil, and nuts not only elevates flavors, but also supports your body's natural functions. These healthy fats are central to reducing inflammation and enhancing heart health. By making these changes, you're moving toward a healthier, more vibrant life. Embrace the anti-inflammatory diet and witness your well-being bloom. Your commitment to better health today can lead to a lively future filled with energy and happiness. Seize this opportunity and thrive!